This is an exercise I wish I started to do sooner earlier in my fitness journey. The ab crunch machine primarily targets the rectus abdominis, the long muscle that runs vertically along the front of the abdomen. Additionally, the machine also engages the obliques, which are located on the sides of the abdomen. While the rectus abdominis is the primary mover during this ab crunch motion, the obliques assist in stabilizing the spine. And one of my other favorite uses for the ab crunch machine is that you can use this for muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy focuses on progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the resistance or the number of repetitions over time to stimulate muscle growth. Try this out and let me know how it goes. Also, let me know what other exercises you wish you did in the beginning of your fitness journey.